Kathopanishad, Chapter 1, Section 1. In the following 6 shloks, 14 to 19, Yamraj teaches Nachiketa how to perform the fire sacrifice and how to worship this fire so as to attain immortality. Nachiketa wholeheartedly listens and repeats what is being taught to him. Yamraj is so delighted to see this that he blesses Nachiketa, saying that in coming times, whosoever would know and study about Nachiketa and practice what Nachiketa learnt, that person will attain moksha and will be liberated from the clutches of life and death. Kathopanishad, Chapter 1, Section 1, Shlok 14 to 19. Prate bravimi tadume nibodha swargyam agnim nachiketah prajanan ananta lokaptim atho pratishtham vidhi tvam etam nihitam guhayam lokadim agnim tam uvach tasmai या इष्टकाया वा तीर्वा यथा वा स चापि तत्प्रत्यवदत्यथोक्तम् अत्थास्य मृत्युः पुनरेवाह तुष्टः तम् अब्रवीत् प्रियमाणो महात्मा वरं तवेहाद्ये ददामि भूयः तवैव नाम्ना भवितायम् अग्निः शृङ्कां चेमाम् अनेकरूपां गृहाण त्रीणचिकेतास्त्रिभिरेत्यसन्धिं क्रिकर्म कृत्तरति जन्म मृत्यु ब्रह्मजज्ञं देवमित्यं विदित्वा निचायेमां शान्तिम् अत्यन्तमेति त्रीणचिकेतास्त्रयम् एतद्विदित्वा य एवं विद्वांश्चिनुते नचिकेतं स मृत्युपाशान् पुरुतः प्रणोदय शोकातिको मोदते स्वर्गलोके एष तेऽग्निर्नचिकेता स्वर्गयो यं वृणीता द्वितीयेनावरेण एतम् अग्निं तवैव प्रवक्ष्यन्ति जनाशस् तृतीयं वरं नचिकेतो वृणीष्व. Please understand that these shloks are very metaphorical. They seem to have a simple, straightforward meaning when you read them once. But on reading them again and again, you will understand their deeper meaning. This fire or Agni that Yamraj is talking about is the path to heaven. It is interpreted in different ways by different people. Some say that the fire Yamraj refers to here is the sacrificial fire or havan or puja rituals, which are the ceremonial part of your faith. Some say that this fire is the entire power of the cosmos that resides in the heart of every living being. Some have interpreted this fire as the universal fire, as the creator of this world. And some say it is the first existence from which other things and life evolved. In the beginning, God said, "Let there be light." Therefore, fire also stands as the purest symbol of the divine. And this same fire also resides in your heart, in my heart, in the heart of every living being as vital energy. So please, please recognize this vital energy, this fire, this power inside you. The entire universe, the God, the cosmos is inside you. Meditate and seek that with full faith, and I'm sure each one of us here someday will find that hidden power inside us.